MST410P Portable Pump Multi-Gas Detector Video Operation Guide. Now we will explain how to turn on the device. Press and hold the button on the right for 5 seconds to power on. Enter the device self-test, red light and green light self-test, vibration self-test, sound alarm self-test, PCBS test. Pump blocking test is required at this moment. Block the air inlet with your finger. Then the sensors perform self-test one by one. All sensors have passed zero calibration. There is a pump icon on the left of the temperature icon on the detection interface. As you can see, the icon shows the air intake status, which means the pump is turned on. There is an SOS alarm button on the top of the detector. It is used for emergency assistance. The screen will also display SOS alarm. Press this button on the left to exit the alarm. Long pressing this button is for power on/off. Short pressing is for confirmation. Long pressing this button is to enter the settings menu. It can be used for page turning and adjusting values up or down. Long pressing the up button can temporarily turn off the pump. After turning off, you can see that the pump icon has changed to an X. The screen will also display long press the up button to turn on the pump. Long pressing to turn on the pump will return to the normal detection interface. Long pressing the button on the right can turn off the device. If you release it halfway, the shutdown will be cancelled.